I brought my holder. I don't want to go get it. Yeah. Yeah, I heard it and felt it. I should have had the camera going.
I felt it on my leg more than anything.
What's all in there though?
The
All these cockaburls will burn. Damn, should have cut those down and threw those in the center. Hey, we got smoke coming over here. That's a good indication. Poor animals that's in their run. The barns will be okay.
Yeah.
Save some cat. I can't believe there really was catnip. More cockaburls. Oh, we got smoke back here. What is it? June, August 23rd. You got time? I don't know, what, 9:45ish, 10:15ish. Out in Flat Rock, burning the burn pile before they tear down these barns. You can't see them now. I'm gonna have flame over here in a minute. Oh, I got my glove on me. I gotta fuck with the fire. Pardon my language. It's getting a little hot. Yeah, there's cockaburls right here. A whole shitload of them. Seen the band. Me and Amy and her daughter Kylie. Yeah, it's putting some heat off now. I'm gonna do a time lapse. I'll be back, people. Because I'm gonna pull weeds and throw in there. Truth, peace, freedom, love to all.